go.
Southeastern Burleson County, southeastern Texas, northeastern Washington County, southeastern Texas, northwestern Waller County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Grimes County in southeastern Texas, south central Brazos County in southeastern Texas, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Washington, or 12 miles southwest of Navajo. 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Effect, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Washington and Independence. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Okay, so that was severe thunderstorm warning for College Station. So now I have to stay tuned to this. That was on Channel 5. From LaGrange, Texas. That was for College Station. Tornado warning. So I'll stay tuned to the weather station. See what happens. Channel 6 is much better. So I'll stay tuned to that. See what happens. Alright? Thanks for watching. That was a tornado warning in effect until 3:30 p.m. I'm sorry the station quality was kind of scratchy. It's not where I live. I live in Round Rock, Texas. My main channel is Channel 1, but I get so many other channels that I like to film ES videos with. So, that's it. So, tornado warning in effect until 3:30 p.m. for College Station and surrounding areas. Tornado warning. So, that's it for now, and that's all, and we'll see what happens. So, stay tuned, and I'll shoot another video if another warning is issued for the area. So, that's it for now, and that's all.